when the brain wiring is less efficiently wired, it happens before birth. It's when the brain is first forming in that fetus before the child's even born. Once the child's born, the brain builds and changes the wiring from one principle. It's called experience-dependent plasticity. That means the experiences the child gets is going to impact how the brain begins to build wiring. If the child gets more visual experiences plus auditory experiences, these two systems should start to wire together because that's the experiences the brain is getting. The more experiences the child is given, the better the chances are to build more efficient wiring. So your goal and what you're trying to do is make sure that we're giving the brain all of the best experiences to give that brain the best chance to build the most efficient wiring, which means learning is working at that child's rate of mastery or at their full potential.